Worried about your home security? Let's talk about the brand new Video Doorbell X3 from 360. It uses the most advanced technology to date, and it only takes seconds to install. The 5-megapixel doorbell camera can capture clear, high-definition images without distortion. When someone enters the front door, you can see all the details clearly.
Hi, it's Nick's Pizza here.
With wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, the picture will not lose its details due to the backlighting. And night vision offers you a sharp view in the dark environment. The 360 Video Doorbell has a 30 feet large detection range, a 162 degrees wide viewing angle, and a tall 4:3 aspect ratio. You can also customize the monitoring range to filter the busy sidewalks and roads nearby. With the radar sensor and human detection, you won't be notified when pedestrians or cars are just passing by.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
With package arrival detection, there will be no more lost packages. If you are inconvenient to talk, the Video Doorbell replies with a quick reply message.
You can leave it. Thank you.
Simple and fast. When you are alone at home, voice changing function is always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests.
Can I help you?
I know, maybe you don't need it. Intelligent face recognition informs you who is at the door with a message. You can also check and replay historical records through the app. If you are asleep and a suspicious person stays in front of the door, or someone tries to steal the doorbell, it will capture the ordeal, and the doorbell will automatically send a siren to scare them away. You will also receive an alert and a video playback on your phone. You can also install it using screws on the uneven walls and hardwire it. Or you can choose to use its rechargeable built-in battery, which can last 6 months on a single charge, and an extended battery pack can boost it to last for up to 18 months. The 360 doorbell is tough from the inside out. The IP66 waterproof and dustproof design means that the doorbell can be tough on crime even in extreme weather conditions. The X3 doorbell has a customizable ringtone, so you can choose the best wishes to find the holiday cheers. Banking-level end-to-end data encryption guards your privacy, so you don't have to worry about your data being stolen or leaked. 360, advanced video doorbell, sharper, smarter, and more secure.